Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northeastern southern Maryland until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waldorf, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Clinton, Fort Washington, La Plata, St. Charles, Wicomico, Accokeek, Brandywine, Hughesville, Baden, Charlotte Hall, Coscow, Bryantown, Eagle Harbor, Lower Marlboro, Dentsville, White Plains, and Northwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.